Let's get into this brow tutorial. So I'm gonna use a pear soap and I'm gonna sud that a little bit, and I'm gonna use my disposable spoolie and I will be brushing my brows upwards, and that's to just brush my brows in place. Guys, don't watch this brows. I actually was shaving it and mash it up. Anyways, we're gonna get to brushing the brows. Brush it to your desired liking. Brush it up so the brows are nice and flat and sitting well on your face. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead with a black pencil and I will be lining my brows from the bottom. I'm gonna go very light. Please just take your time and go very light. Drag that right along your bottom brows, and then you're gonna go ahead and do the top. When you're done, you're gonna make some ear-like strokes at the front and you're gonna shade your brows a little bit. Not too thick, not too dark, just very lightly, okay? After both brows are done, you want to go ahead with the disposable spoolie and you're gonna brush that upwards. So you're dragging whatever product that is at the bottom to fade it out, and you'll be dragging it upwards. When you're done and the brows are set to the way you want them to go, get your flat brush and let's get to cleaning up the brows. Okay, so you're gonna go for a lighter shade concealer. If it is that you only want to do your brows and you're going out in public, I would recommend you use the shade of your foundation to your skin and use that to line your brows. But for this video, we're gonna use a lighter concealer and we're gonna conceal the bottom. Usually I would use 2 shades of concealer, but in this video I will be only using 1, and I will be showing you how I blend this out. Okay, so just keep watching, follow step by step, and if the video is going too fast for you, please, please pause, do what you gotta do, and press play. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead with my shade foundation. So I'm using a foundation and doing the top. I'm just dragging the brush very flat right along the brows. You see that? Nice and clean. Yeah, that's how your brows should be looking. Try to make sure your brows looking like sisters. So when you're done doing that, you're gonna take a fluff brush and you're gonna blend that concealer out. So you're gonna blend from the edges of the concealer that I'm doing, that's what you call it, yeah, and then you'll just be blending that. And guys, in makeup, blending is the most important part of makeup. Blend, 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 blend until it is smooth and seamless. Don't stop blending, keep blending. You're gonna do that with the bottom and you're also gonna do that with the top. Do you see how nice and neat this is looking? Yeah. Now that we're done the brows, thanks for watching the video. If you have learned something, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section and turn on your post notification bell. Share this video and tell a friend, okay? And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please press the subscription button so you do not miss out anything. Girls, learn to do your makeup, okay? Bye.